Got some Mexico action tonight. Now it's cheat code out here.
Yeah.
If you don't follow him already, there you go. So yeah, he has a race tonight. Ford powered Foxbody. Dang, there we go.
See out this catch can.
Oh, all right.
Man once told me it's kind of hard to use the phone and hold the ball at the same time.
Be back on this. So what are you about to do?
I'm about to change the activation RPM. So we're doing a 50 roll this time. Usually I have it set up for 40 roll. So 3,500 two-step. This time out, it's 4,000 two-step. So I need to make sure my nitrous comes in after that and not during the two-step, because that would be some.
Yeah.
So right now I have it set for 2,800 come in. And turn off at 62. So I'm gonna turn that range to now probably 5,000 up to about 65.
Okay.
I might even lower that 5,000. I'll probably change that to 45. 45 to 6,000 is probably what, to 6,500. 4,500 to 6,500.
Yeah.
Is what I'm about to set it at. So that way it's right after two-step, but then cuts out before I shift gears.
Yeah. Gives you a little bit of safety right there.
That easy. 45, 65.
Sheesh.
Let's do it. Ramp is still set up for a second and a half.
It's nice.
It's pretty progressive, so I'm just gonna roll with that.
Sweet.
And let's go.
Hell yeah.
Yeah, not a problem in the world.
Now it's gonna be.
No, me and Berto ride home, perfect. So many pools. We were racing bikes.
Oh, it's horrible.
Oh, it's talking about the spinning. Straight spin city. That's it. Yeah. God damn. Woo. Woo. Got that on film. But no, right when we
No,
got
I'm talking
home.
about this. That.
Oh yeah,
tell
this
him.
part. Going over railroad track, I hear coom. The 90 degree that's at the bottom corner hit the railroad track. Temperatures started going. I said what? I said watch. Here we go. Watch the temperatures. He was like what? All of a sudden temperatures start going up. 160, 170.
Yeah.
I think it just was enough to put air into the pump.
Stop the pump. Yeah. Yep.
But it's fine now. And I did pools on the way here. I did mini pools just in case.
It was just 90.
I didn't fix it. It didn't break it or crack anything. I think it wasn't a 90, but that's the sound I thought.
Yeah.
It broke it. But really what it was doing was, I think it just was enough to get air into the pump.
Yeah.
To just cavitate for a second.
Oh man.
Yo, I just wanted, I bought all new.
You can't wait. You can't wait to get rid of all the.
This is the Foxbody cheat code running tonight.
Vibrant fittings. I was going to do both. And I was like, fuck it.
It's turbo motor, I believe, mixed with a turbo. So
If you do brake boost, or you can do it first run if you want. I'm trying. We'll work it out. If I need to honk, I can. It's no problem.
Oh, honk. I think mine is a little loud if you want to hear it.
Well, the issue is a stick car, yo. I'm not trying to honk in a stick car.
Yeah, I understand. I used to own one, so I know they're pretty big. When you're honking and shifting at the same time. Like,
And two-step. Yeah, you're honking, dude. I won't hear that. That shit just scared me a little bit. You know what I'm saying? I jumped a little bit.
yeah, it's pretty good.
What's that?
So as you can see, I just put this in, and you think the tensioner is good on the car? So you want to feel it out? You want to switch anything? Get him up. He's ready to do a night because I couldn't make it. You know, it kind of sucked, but I was only like 5 minutes away from that shop.
That's crazy. Yeah, I lived 5 minutes.
what mile per hour roll?
50 roll. I'm left lane. He's right lane.
You got it?
He got it. He got it. Spin City, he got it, yo.
Hey, the thing is, like, the first one, I don't know if you heard the honk or not.
I didn't.
I did it. That's why the reason I stopped.
I didn't.
Like,
You saw I was stagnant.
I was like, he must not have heard
The second one, I didn't hear the honks the first one. I was like, why did he just take off? I thought maybe you were burning your tires.
Huh?
I thought maybe you were just getting your tires sticky. So I was like, okay. And then we went again. I obviously heard the honks the second time.
All right, that's good. The second time won't count.
Yeah.
So what happened?
He got it.
Wow.
Oh, did yo?
Yeah.
What was that, a 50 roll?
50. Well,
Yeah,
cause
we had like, I think 160 plus.
Holy
I'm trying to think if I need to lower my tires. It just first, yeah.
That was a good one.
First,
check the. I haven't checked your tire.
first,
That was a damn good one.
spinning, yo. Good run.
Good one.
Turbo for the W. He's got it. Numero 5.
I hope you make 1,000 plus horsepower now.
No, now I don't know. 900. You know what's crazy? This is no excuses. This bottle, I went back to reach for it. It wasn't open all the way, but I think once you go past the opening at all, it's considered all the way with these bottles.
Is it?
I think so. I hope so. I hope so. It didn't feel the same that run.
Yeah.
It did not feel the same that run.
Did you check the bottle?
I'm saying, like, I reached back,
It's just open.
and it was open, but it was like once you first open it, it wasn't.
It wasn't all the way.
Yeah, but I think once you have it open a little bit, it's open.
Okay.
You see what I'm saying?
Yeah, the pressure is coming through no matter what.
Exactly. That's
How
the
much
way.
pound you had on the bottle?
The PSI was 777 just now.
Look at the count.
Supposed to be 9.
Hmm.
Supposed to be 900, but that shouldn't make that much of a difference for what
Because
we
it's
were
not
doing.
even that close.
No, yeah, it's not. It shouldn't make that
Yeah,
much.
it was definitely a nice run, man. It was nice.
Definitely.
It was a good race. It was like 1-1, and then we had to go 2-1, and then
I know, dude. I want the passengers. Yo, I like that so much better. Cause I'm not sitting there trying to listen to understand. Is this the horn? Is
It's
this not the
really
horn?
tough, yeah.
You know.
And plus, brake boost is like you can barely hear.
Dude.
Not much. You
Dude,
probably heard
and then
one
when
or
you
two
pulled the
off.
first time, I was like, did
Yeah.
I just miss it? See?
He did tear it up.
Just to hear more.
See?
I had to. I feel like the way you took off was like, it's gonna take you. So I
Ah,
had
see?
to. So,
You just said I can't do anything else.
but beside the boost, like I don't have a bottle. Or
No,
anything,
I didn't know that. I didn't know you. I thought you said you were maxed
No,
out with boost.
I have electronic boost control, so
Right.
what I did, I increased my duty cycle. So
Ah.
the first one we did,
Ah.
it was 74, and the second one,
So maybe everything was working perfect on my car. I just didn't.
yeah,
good.
I had turned it up,
Cool.
just to be honest. But,
How much PSI you think you were running just now?
So the first one, like I won, right? The first one, or you won?
The first one you won, and then
First
he
one
won
you
the
won.
second.
Yeah, the first one I was like 18 pounds. The second one was like 18, and the last one I did 22 pounds.
4 more pounds of boost.
I had to. I mean, like the way he pulled it on the top, I was like,
4 more fucking
either
pounds of
either
boost.
make more power.
But you know
or blow
what?
it
I'll
up.
take
Yeah.
it. At least now I understand. Because
I-
meanwhile, I'm thinking like, is my bottle not open?
No,
like, what?
Your car is fine, man. I turned it up.
Good
Because you had like the second race we did, the top end, the way you pull, you can see in the video, I'm not coming up. It's not like Civic, you know how the top end comes in?
Yeah,
I wasn't
okay.
coming up.
No, I feel
Yeah,
better
and
now.
I said that in the video. I mean, remember I was telling him about it?
I saw the video, Rich sent it to me. I'm looking at it like, why is not my car pulling up at the top end?
Yeah.
And then I went back and looked at the gauge, like 18 pounds. Like, I'm going to turn it up.
Yeah.
And my duty cycle injector was like 110. So it's max out. Though. Like,
Holy you didn't
I was
care.
leaning out. Yeah, I was leaning out like 12.1 or something.
Holy. Okay. I feel better
He's like
now.
new injectors anyways.
Knowing that he went up 4 more pounds.
Yeah.
Okay.
So I had to, like, you turned up your nitrics up, I had to turn my boost up. So
Good
we
shit.
even.
I would have went another jet size up, yo. I would have went another jet size up.
That's the max I can go. So I can't do that.
That's what he says right now.
That's how it goes.
Everyone's
No,
going up.
I definitely would have went up one more jet.
Probably
Because everything went well. Everything went well.
Yeah.
Nothing leaned out. Everything was going
Airflow
well.
was good?
I would have went back up one more jet if I would have known that. But that's how it goes.
But here's the thing, 22 pound, I can still go up.
Say again.
I can still go up a little more. Probably like 23.
See, that's that.
But here's the thing, injectors are maxed out. I'm talking about like 100%.
Yeah, it's not worth leaning out, but
Yeah.
you didn't give a.
All right. Anyways.
What that looks like.
Aaron takes the L. Aaron takes the L. Foxbody for the win.
Yep.
Ford powered
Fox
Foxbody.
body.
Foxbody number
Yeah.
5.